Hi students. The other Halloween classic is Love Potion number 9, although I think I've actually used it for Valentine's Day. Now these chords are also on that first page except for B7. On the first page, I'm talking about the very first chord chart I gave you. It had 3 at the top, 2 in the middle, and 3 at the bottom. Our first chords. Now the A minor is from that. That's on the bottom middle, and then the very bottom left is D minor, and then A minor, and then D minor, C, A minor, and so on. Where it changes, where you get the B7th, is I just saw it. Oh yeah. She bent down and turned around and gave me a wink. It's the bridge. So the B7th is played. It's not a particularly difficult chord, but it is 4 fingers. Our first 4-fingered chord. So it's the first finger on the first fret of the D string, and then the second finger is on the second fret of the A. The ring finger is on the second fret of the G, so it's the D string, A string, G string, like that, and then the pinky is on the second fret of the E. So checking that chord, you would want to check each one, and that's a B7th. So it was, she knelt down and turned around, gave me a wink, said I'm gonna mix it up right here in the sink. You look like Indian ink. I took a drink. Yeah, that's a fun song. If you don't remember it, it's got a very funny lyric. Okay, at a very slow tempo. Let me get the metronome right again. And no intro again. 1, 2, ready, play. I took my troubles down to Madame Boo. You know that gypsy with the gold cap too. She's got a pad down at 34th and Vine, selling little bottles of Love Potion number 9. I told her that I was a flop with chicks. I've been this way since 1956. She looked at my palm and she made a magic sign. She said, what you need is Love Potion number 9. She bent down and turned around and gave me a wink. She said, I'm gonna mix it up right here in the sink. It smelled like turpentine, it looked like Indian ink. I held my nose, I closed my eyes, I took a drink. I didn't know if it was day or night. I started kissing everything inside. But when I kissed the car down at 34th and Vine, he broke my little bottle of Love Potion number 9. Love Potion number 9. Love Potion number 9. Let's have fun with that. Excellent. Good luck.